Hi, I'm Arthur Pons, and I'm doing the May course project. The final project that I chose was my idea is the GloveSight. It's a glove that will vibrate according to how close things are to its sensor, right? So the idea here is to help blind people navigate through indoor environments without hitting walls or poles or anything like that that can hurt them. In this simulation, we see the vibrating motor on top rotating in a very slow motion fashion, and while the object is getting closer, it will vibrate faster, and while the object is getting further, it will vibrate slower. So this is my Arduino sketch for the final project of my called GloveSight. So as seen from the previous shot, I have the Arduino connected to a vibrating motor that is controlled by an analog on and off switch, the proximity sensor as well. So starting here, I'm including the header file to incorporate the proximity sensor. So which is over here, and the CPP file and header file over here, which is I use in this code. So first I'm defining the echo pin as 8 as pin 8 in my connection with the Arduino, and then there's a trigger pin 9. Both of these are for the proximity sensor, and then there's Vib 3, which is a vibration. The vibrating motor is connected to pin 3 in the Arduino. So here you're just defining which is the echo pin and which is the trigger pin defined over here above, and then setting that to my distance sensor that I labeled here. In the setup, I just begin serial monitors because it's good for double checking exactly what's happening in the code. So just for debugging, nothing actually happens over there. And then I also set the vibrating pin as the output to send signal to the vibrating motor. In the void loop here, serial print distance is just for checking, debug checking. I define a float called distance, which will read the distance from the sensor, and then store that value in distance as a float value. And also here, here saying if it's approaching or retracting, just to understand better what's going on also, and analyze our data. And right here is where I transmit this data from the proximity sensor towards the vibrating motor. So here, if the distance is less than 10 centimeters, 155 PWM is sent to the pin 3 of the vibrating motor, sending a very high frequency signal, on and off signal, to make it vibrate very fast, and that goes on